Welcome to How's That Pronounced? Videos to help you with commonly mispronounced words. Today, we're going to be looking at the glottal T. In American English, the glottal T is a glottal stop, where the sound is stopped completely in your throat, followed by an N sound. What am I talking about? I'm sure that you've heard this sound before, but maybe you didn't know what it was or when people do it. So let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat. Important, certain, mountain, eaten, button, cotton, written, curtain, forgotten. As you can see, we do not pronounce that T so strongly that comes before the N. That's the glottal T. Now, will you ever hear people saying that T very strongly? Yeah, sometimes you will. But I think for most native speakers, well, at least people from the US, it sounds very strange for us to hear someone saying the T so strongly, like with the first word, important. When we hear someone say important, it just doesn't sound right. So, can you use that strong T? You can, but will most native speakers think it sounds strange? Yeah. So, I would suggest getting used to this glottal T sound. Let's read these sentences. Important. It's really important to me. Certain. I'm certain he's coming. Mountain. Let's go mountain climbing. Eaten. He said he's already eaten. Button. My shirt's missing a button. Cotton. I only wear cotton shirts. Written. I've written about my life. Curtain. Did you close the curtains? Forgotten. I've forgotten his name. I've got some very great practice sentences for you. See if you can say these. It's important that you're certain that you were bitten by the kitten. On a mountain that's forgotten, I ate some mutton like a glutton. Are you certain that you've forgotten the cotton curtain? I've written about a kitten that has eaten a mitten. Should we try to say them faster? Let's do it. It's important that you're certain that you were bitten by a kitten. Oh, I said, It's important that you're certain that you were bitten by the kitten. On a mountain that's forgotten, I ate some mutton like a glutton. Are you certain that you've forgotten the cotton curtain? I've written about a kitten that I've written about a kitten that has eaten I've written about a kitten that has eaten a mitten. Oh my gosh. Stay tuned for the next video.